Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Easter candle Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to be using one of their glass candle holders with a little bit of a ridge on the bottom and one of the flat glass ones. And we're going to be adding the little Dollar Tree wood bunnies with the little bunny tails on them all the way around the candle holder. They actually ended up fitting perfectly, but definitely check your spacing depending on which one of the glass candle holders you use. And I'm just using Gorilla Glue hot glue for this and hoping that they stay attached to the glass. You might want to use a stronger glue, but I wanted to kind of speed up the process by using the hot glue. And I have used it on candles before and had pretty good luck. So I went straight across so that I could space it out, and I ended up being able to use 3 there in the middle. So I think I used a total of 8. There's 12 in a package, so one package is definitely going to do an entire candle for you. And I just left them the raw wood like that, and I glued them right where the base starts to come out so that it doesn't overlap the top. I don't want any kind of fire risk with a candle in there. Now, to attach the 2 glass candle holders together, I used a really strong Gorilla Glue around the edges and some hot glue in the middle to temporarily hold it on there while the other glue sets up, gluing glass to glass. To decorate it, I found these great little foam eggs from actually Dollar Tree for $1, so cheaper than the Dollar Tree. I thought they'd be perfect for this. I'm going to combine it with some of the reindeer moss from the Dollar Tree. So the first thing I do is just go around all of the areas that have like the bumpy glass there on the bottom, and we're just going to cover that with reindeer moss. I love using reindeer moss for Easter DIYs. I think it makes a great grass, and it kind of makes it look like the bunnies are all standing in the grass yard. I don't really want you to see the glass candle holder here at all on the bottom, so then I took some smaller pieces of that reindeer moss and went around and hot glued those on as well. Trim it up a little bit just to make it look a little bit better, and then we can add the Easter eggs to the grass. I think it's looking really cute. I'm just using hot glue to glue those down, just alternating the colors, great pastel colors. If you can't find these foam eggs at Dollar General, they have the little tiny wood eggs at Dollar Tree as well. And then I'm just going to finish it off with a Dollar Tree candle in ivory. Nice neutral color that should match everything, and place that right inside, and we have an Easter candle. This was so much fun to make. This is what it looks like during the day, and also let me show you how it looks lit up. I think it turned out really cute. What do you guys think about this Easter candle Dollar Tree DIY? I love it. I think it's really fun. If you'd like more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.